Aerospace Engineering Building at the...
We sure are. We're at the Aerospace and Mechanical Engineering Building, and we have the hydraulic elevator. We're doing a retake on this. Let's see how it's doing in 2026. I'm gonna get a video of the bell ringing. Very nice cat. We got a bug in here though.
Yep.
And I'll show you. We're going to go on to 1 and watch the indicator. We'll do a cat view first. We'll do it on the way up. Capacity is 2,500 pounds. This is elevator number 3.
We'll go up to 4 and we'll hear the motor going up.
So we sure will. We have an 88 phone. Now, watch the indicator, because I'll show you. Watch the number. What do you think of that indicator?
Yeah, that's something. Oh, it's flashing.
The arrow, it's glitching for some reason, but the number is good.
Yep.
Sometimes it skips a floor, but it's doing well today. But yeah, I don't know why it does that, but there we go. This took a second.
Yeah.
It's cool though.
It is.
I like how they have that feature turned on this one. That just has a regular Acme indicator on the outside. Anyways, that's gonna be it.